Hey guys, I'm going to do a short review on the magnetic towel holder. Now this is from ProTX, and it is just a rip snort of a product, and the benefit of it is you can put it on the side of a car, a camper. I'm going to try it on this marquee here, and because there are two parts to the unit, you can actually use multiple size rolls, as you can see we'll try today, and we'll also put it in a workshop scenario as well on the side of a hoist. So I've just unboxed, they're wrapped in plastic, and you've got two pieces here. Now they're quite sturdy. They've got a bolt which bolts on the holder knob, I guess you call it. On the back you've got nylon non-scratch pads, which are your magnets, so they're coated in nylon so they won't scratch anything. So the beauty of it is you can have it at various sizes how you want. So let's try it on some different scenarios. All right, first test is to actually put on the side of a pole of a 3x3 marquee. So I'm camped here, I'm in a swag, and you can see here I've put the paper towel above where my kitchen will be, and I can pull a piece of towel off, clean up how I want, and so first test is a win. Next test is on the side of the car. So you can see here it works really well. It's not going to scratch the Duco, and we'll try it on some boxes as well, on some service bodies on utes here as well. But you can see there it's quite strong, and yeah, you can pull your paper off. Nice. As you can see, I've now put a bigger roll on here. Now if you're a car nut like me and you want to put your polishing cloth on the roll, you can certainly do that, and put on the side of a hoist on your workshop, on your toolbox. It makes it really easy, and of course it's not going to scratch anything, and I can then rip off my polishing cloth and off we go. Test number 2, awesome. Lots of activity going on here, but I thought I'd come over to the spit. Now we've got a spit this weekend, and I thought I'd show the brackets or the holders on the side of a spit lid. So you can see if you want to wipe your utensils, wipe your hands, you can just use the magnetic holders on the side of a metal surface anywhere. It's awesome. Wow, look at that. So you need paper towel and you need magnetic holders to make sure you can wipe your hands. Look at that. Wow, thank you. The paper towel holder on the side of another marquee. So test complete. So it works on the side of marquee poles, really good. I'm over at Ed's Full Driving Camping on his camper, and on the side of an Engel, really easy. You can hook it up to a Engel fridge and have paper towel wherever you want it. How good's that? When you set up in camp and you want to have paper towel easy next to your kitchen, even on the Clearview pantry here, you can put the towel holder right on top, right next to your fridge. So if you're putting together some lunch or some dinner, you can use the magnetic holder just about anywhere. It's such a cool product. All right, so the other thing we can do with the magnetic holder is if you're in a workshop scenario and the boys need to wipe their hands, you can put them on the side of a hoist, as I've done here. And you've already seen I've put them on the side of my shed. But in a workshop environment like this, with lots of really cool Holden stuff and all sorts of good stuff on the wall of a good workshop, you can actually put your rolls on the hoist. So look, this is a really good product, so versatile. As a car nut, I want to do everything I can to clean my car and make it really easy. And having the ability to have a paper towel, a polished cloth holder that I can move around on the walls of my shed, on the side of service bodies, the camper bodies, on the side of caravans, on the side of the car. The magnetic paper towel holder is fantastic. You can put bigger rolls on it, longer rolls on it. You can put shrink wrap on it. This is a really good product.